To record your PowerPoint presentation, simply go to the tab Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I want to show you how you can record your PowerPoint presentation as a video. Simply, as you can see here, we have the PowerPoint presentation. Let's say we have many one. Okay, here in the top we have many tabs. Select the recording one, as you can see here. Okay, in the left top corner, record slide show. So we have two choices: record from current slide if you want record some slide, specified slide, or if you want to record the entire presentation, select the second one, record from beginning. Okay, I will select the second one. As you can see, also in the top left corner we have a red circle. Okay, click here to start the recording. Okay, let's do a test. Hello everyone, how are you? Also, we can use these tools. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, as you can see here, slide 1 of 3. We can go to the next one. E, F, G. Also we can go to the third one, O, O, O. When you finish, guys, simply select or click in the stop button in the top left corner. Okay, that's it. Okay, now here also in the recording tab, go to export to video. That's it. Okay, create video, set the destination, save in the desktop. Let's check. Okay, as you can see. These tools. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, as you can see here, slide 1 of 3. So as you can see, we have a video. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.